Artificial intelligence. Just hearing those words might make you imagine futuristic robots, sci-fi movies, or machines smarter than humans. But the truth is, AI is not just about the future. It's a story that stretches from the past, is reshaping our present, and is destined to define our future in ways we're only beginning to understand. Today, let's dive deep into the history of artificial intelligence, see how it has become a part of our everyday lives, and explore where it might take us in the years ahead. The origins of AI, where it all began. The dream of creating artificial intelligence did not start in the age of computers. In fact, the idea is as old as human imagination. Ancient myths often told stories of mechanical beings brought to life by gods or inventors, like the bronze giant Talos in Greek mythology, who protected Crete from invaders. Even in medieval times, inventors dreamed of automata, machines that could mimic life. But the true foundation of AI as we know it began in the mid-20th century. One of the first visionaries was Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician often called the father of modern computing. In 1950, Turing proposed a fascinating idea. Could we create a machine that thinks like a human? He developed what is now known as the Turing test, a way to measure if a machine's responses are indistinguishable from a human's. Around the same time, computers were becoming more powerful, and in 1956, at a workshop at Dartmouth College, computer scientist John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. Early AI researchers were incredibly optimistic. They thought human-level AI would be achieved in just a couple of decades. In the 1960s and 70s, computers were taught to play chess, solve math problems, and even carry on simple conversations. Programs like Eliza, an early chatbot, mimicked a therapist and amazed users, even though its responses were just cleverly programmed text patterns. But progress wasn't as fast as expected. Computers back then lacked the speed and memory to handle real intelligence. Funding dried up, and the field entered what scientists call the AI winter, a period when hope and investment in AI nearly froze. Many thought the dream of intelligent machines was impossible. But behind the scenes, researchers kept working, laying the foundation for the breakthroughs we see today. AI in the present, the rise of machine learning. Jump to the present, and AI has come roaring back stronger than ever. What changed? The key is data and computing power. Unlike the early days, today's AI doesn't just follow hand-coded instructions. Instead, it learns from massive amounts of data using a technique called machine learning. The more data it processes, the better it gets. This is why modern AI can recognize faces, translate languages instantly, and even beat world champions in games like Go, a game once thought impossible for machines to master. Take a moment to think about your daily life. Whether you notice it or not, AI is all around you. When you unlock your phone with your face, AI is analyzing millions of tiny details in a fraction of a second. When Netflix or YouTube recommends the next show or video, that's AI studying your behavior and predicting what you'll enjoy. Shopping online, AI is behind the product recommendations. Driving somewhere, GPS apps use AI to predict traffic and find the fastest route. In industries, AI is making an even bigger impact. In healthcare, AI systems analyze medical images to detect cancers earlier than human doctors in some cases. In finance, AI algorithms scan millions of transactions to catch fraud in real time. In agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crops and predict yields. Even creative fields are being transformed. AI can now generate realistic art, compose music, or even write stories, blurring the line between human and machine creativity. Perhaps one of the most impressive examples is in language. Tools like ChatGPT, which you're listening to right now, are based on large language models trained on billions of words. They can answer questions, explain concepts, and even create stories that feel surprisingly human-like. Just a few years ago, this level of AI conversation would have seemed like science fiction. But as exciting as it is, the present also raises big questions. AI is powerful, but should it be trusted without limits? algorithms can sometimes be biased, reflecting the flaws in the data they're trained on. For example, AI used in hiring decisions has, in some cases, unfairly favored certain groups over others. There are also concerns about privacy. After all, AI thrives on data, and that often means your data. And then there's the fear of jobs. If machines can think and work, what happens to human workers? These are questions society is wrestling with right now. The future of AI, where are we headed? So what lies ahead? The future of AI is both thrilling and uncertain. Some experts believe we are heading toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, a form of AI that can think, learn, and reason across any task, just like a human, and maybe even better. Imagine an AI doctor who knows everything about medicine, an AI lawyer who understands every law ever written, or an AI teacher who can perfectly adapt lessons to each student's needs. But with this potential comes enormous responsibility. If machines become as smart or smarter than us, how do we control them? Who decides how they're used? Thinkers like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned that unchecked AI could pose risks to humanity. Others, however, see AI as the greatest tool we've ever created, capable of solving problems like climate change, curing diseases, and exploring space. In the near future, we'll likely see AI becoming more personal and more integrated into our lives. Cars that drive themselves safely on every road. Virtual assistants that don't just answer questions, but truly understand context and emotion. Healthcare tailored to your unique biology, guided by AI systems analyzing everything from your genetics to your daily habits. At the same time, governments and organizations are starting to create rules for AI to ensure it's used ethically and safely. Think of it like the early days of electricity. At first, it was chaotic and even dangerous, but with time, regulations, and standards turned it into the backbone of modern life. AI might follow a similar path, a journey still unfolding. When we look back at the story of AI, from myths of ancient robots to Alan Turing's groundbreaking theories to today's everyday applications, it becomes clear that AI is not just about technology. It's about us. It's about our curiosity to create, to replicate intelligence, and to push the limits of what's possible. The history of AI shows us that progress takes time, but persistence leads to breakthroughs. The present shows us both the benefits and challenges of living alongside intelligent machines. And the future? That's the part of the story still being written. Will AI become our greatest ally, helping us solve the world's hardest problems? Or will it create new ones we're not ready to face? One thing is certain. Artificial intelligence is no longer just an idea. It's a reality. And whether we're ready or not, it's a reality that will shape the future of humanity. The story of AI is ultimately the story of human ambition, creativity, and responsibility. And the next chapter is happening right now.